Welcome back to Info Squad. As the world grows, there's an increasing demand for food. The demand has to be addressed in a sustainable manner, and some are suggesting GMOs are the answer. Genetically engineered plants and animals have been proven to be capable of producing a wide range of valuable traits, such as higher yields, enhanced disease resistance, and improved salt and drought tolerance. There are several problems that we are now seeing can arise from genetically modified foods, and they are not purely beneficial, they can have negative impact as well. Incredibly, the United States regulators currently use a method called substantial equivalence. This means if the new genetically modified plant or animal looks basically like the old one that is currently unregulated, then it's fine. The problem is the GMOs can look like their harmless old counterpart but still have vastly different effects when it's consumed.
In September 2012, the first long-term study on the effects of GMOs being consumed by live organisms was completed. The results were disturbing. GMOs turn food into poison. Consumption of such foods may cause a massive increase in cancer for all who eat them. When tested on rats, genetically modified foods cause them to develop horrifying tumors and other related diseases. 70% of the female population died prematurely, and virtually all of them suffered severe organ damage from consuming GMOs. From the beginning of the 1990s, the number of companies producing GMO products has grown exponentially. Today, 75% of the food at Canadian grocery stores contains genetically modified ingredients, mainly in the form of 4 crops: corn, soy, cotton, and canola. Among the products you buy, GMOs can be found in meats, alcohol, soft drinks, juices, dairy products, frozen food, pasta, canned goods, baby food, cereal, bread, cosmetics, and even shampoo. This is not even half of the list. It is the worst trial and error case in the history of the food industry. The mass poisoning of billions of people with a toxic food crop that was never properly tested.
At the Sainsbury Laboratory in England, a team of plant pathologists have produced a fungal-resistant tomato plant. The team has used a gene editing technique known as CRISPR or Cas9. The lead researcher, Sophie Kaman, says the disease-resistant tomato will probably never be seen on the market. Kaman's group snipped out a piece of the gene called mildew-resistant locus O, or the MLO. The deletion of the gene makes the tomato resistant to powdery mildew, which is a serious agricultural problem that takes lots of chemicals to control. European regulations make the tomato plants essentially illegal. He and others can do the science, but probably will never get field trials, and they definitely won't get the plants onto the market. The United States has approved thousands of genetically modified organisms, but Europe has taken the stance as if it comes from genetically modified organism, it gets heavily regulated. The reason Europe hasn't accepted GMOs with arms wide open is because there's still a lot of concerns when it comes to these organisms. Genetically modified foods can be programmed to do several things to the consumer by producing certain chemicals during their growth. Some GMOs are being developed specifically to combat human disease. There's even a tomato engineered to decrease plaque buildup and has already been tested in lab mice. We've linked these stories in the description below. But what if genetically engineered products were being programmed to do you harm or even change the way you think? Europe understands the enormous implications of GMOs and how hard it can be to tell what a GMO has really been altered to do. Maybe it's been altered to produce addictive chemicals. Who knows what some of these GMOs are actually programmed to do. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Leave us a comment down below. If you like what we're doing here at Info Squad, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next video.